How to add volume buttons on navigation bar. So let's see. First open Galaxy Store, search here good lock, install and open good lock. In good lock find NavStar, then install NavStar. After install, open NavStar. Just turn on. Here you can see new configuration. Open this. Button layout. Open this. Add button. Here select volume up and volume down. You can see volume up and down. Select, then done this. After that save this. Here find volume up and volume down navigation and select. Then as you can see volume up and volume down button show in navigation bar. So you can see here. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video.